Hi there folks, and welcome to another video. It's Easter weekend. Should have been hiking somewhere for an overnight hike, but it's been way too wet. The place where I wanted to go was actually closed due to the amount of rain, and the creek's been flooded. So just doing an old favourite today, so I thought I'd take you along with me. So I'm just doing a short hike today, not too far from where I live, in a beautiful area of the Barron Gorge National Park in Cairns. I'm very fortunate to only live about 5 minutes drive away, and like I say, Easter weekend, best laid plans and all of that. I did have an overnight hike planned, which I was really excited about, because it would have been my first overnight hike with my new tent, which is a Durston X-Mid 2. So I have used it out in my yard, out in my garden, and had a few overnight sleeps, but nothing proper. So I was really looking forward to that, but the rain has just been insane. Everything's so wet. Right now I'm walking through a stream that's usually a path, and yesterday when I was due to set off, it was just torrential, and yeah, the campground was out of bounds where I was going to stay. So this is plan B, and I ain't complaining. It's a beautiful hike, and yeah, let me show you a little bit more. just having a little stop here for a while, just cruising. It's a pretty popular walking track here, and there's been lots of people passing me. Happy to let them go ahead. No rush today. I'm usually working, and yeah, this is lovely. Being out on a walk. Not that I don't like my work, but you know what I'm saying. In the distance, you can just see the railway bridge. The mighty Barron flowing down to the ocean. Looking out, you can just see the ocean in the distance. It's not clear enough to see any of the islands today, but the sun's out and little birds singing. Happy to be here as much as I am. I really love this section of the walk, this little open bit. It's whole lots of high grass, but there's lots of little flowers and butterflies, and it just feels really different to the rest of it. When we get to the top, it'll be nice and muddy, and then we go into a beautiful rainforest pocket. It's pretty special as we head to a lookout. But yeah, this is always nice when you get up to the open section, you get a bit of a view. The butterflies. After the rain, it seems the wind comes. Into the rainforest, and you can probably hear how squelchy and muddy it is in here. Muddy boots, isn't it great? This is such a beautiful spot as well. To be honest, I love it all. It's such a great short walk, and you get that nice bit of varied environment and terrain. Bit of a climb, obviously you're going up to a lookout, but so worth it. Listen to the wind coming through the trees. It's glorious. I love this bit. Always makes me feel like you've entered a portal into another world. Oh, see the butterfly? Hey, hello. Oh, I hope you can see this. I'll have to zoom in. Anyway, yeah, like I said, this bit always kind of makes me think Lord of the Rings. Might be a few orcs lurking behind that rock. Or if he was truly lucky, Aragorn. Whee! Oh, that beautiful wind. Aragorn, where are you? A beautiful golden orb spider within her web. And I am actually tall enough to reach where she is anyway, but her span would be definitely bigger than my hand when you're talking from one end of her leg to another. Oh, she's coming down. I hope she doesn't think the GoPro is something she can afford. Pretty wild at the top. Very windy, if you can hear me. Woo! Stop for a break. I probably haven't made enough hiking videos yet, but anyone who knows me well knows one of my favourite things in the world is having a cup of tea when I'm out on a hike. And of course, that's what I'm doing right now while I listen to all the whooshing wind. It's just brilliant. Hang around the top. The wind's so wild, I just love it. I actually wish in a way I was sleeping up here, but it's too popular a spot. You know, there'll be lots of people coming and going all the time. You'd have to come up here just on dark, but yay, look at it, it's just wild and amazing. The reality of making a video. Winds drop now, we're in the thicker rainforest, which always makes me feel like I should talk quietly. Feels like you shouldn't be loud when you're in these places. Do you remember the fairground ride when he was a kid called a Helter Skelter. My fellow Brits will know what I'm talking about. Anyway, when you see the vines wrapped around the tree trunks like that, I always think Helter Skelter. Cool. Squelchanoid. Quite a satisfying sound, but I like it. So I was right at this spot 6 days ago, last Sunday, with a really good friend hiking, and it was raining and really misty, and if I can figure it out, I'm going to insert that little bit of footage just so you can see how different it is. To a sunny day, which is still glorious. I mean, look at that blue sky. I don't know, I should do a poll. Which do you like best? Back down the hill we go. The track passes over the railway line, which is the line that takes the Kuranda Scenic train up to from Cairns up to Kuranda. So if you're ever visiting Cairns, it's kind of a must-do because it's really beautiful. Like, this is just part of the track winding around, and it goes up into the Barron Gorge around that corner. If you're lucky enough to get there on there after some rain, like at the moment, it goes right near the falls, so you can have there's a lookout, and you can get out there and take photos and have a little walk around, and then visit the village of Kuranda where they have markets, nice places to eat, do a bit of browsing at the shops and the markets there. And on the way back down, you can come back down via the train, or there is a cable car called Skyrail, and that's great because then you're coming over the treetops, and it's just such a beautiful way to see the forest. And they also have one of the cable cars that's a see-through glass bottom. Pay a little bit more, but you like you really get to have an amazing vantage point on it. So that's a really great day out in Cairns, up on the train, down on the Skyrail, or vice versa. Yeah, they're both really, really good. Can you see it? Can you see the face in the anthill? And I do love that someone's got to put that stick there as a nose. Somebody along the same lines of thinking as me. I love that kind of thing. Mr. Anthill Head, living in the forest. Cicadas are singing again. Quick dip to freshen up to finish my marvellous hike. Hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please consider that as well. Your support would be greatly appreciated. Catch you next time. Bye.